Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to buy UC in PUBG Mobile. First, make sure your PayPal account is fully set up and linked to a valid payment method, like a bank account or credit card. It's also crucial to have the PUBG Mobile application ready on your device. Before starting, double-check that your PayPal balance or linked payment method has enough funds to cover your desired UC purchase. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick transaction process. Now, let's get into the game. Open your PUBG Mobile app and look for the UC icon, typically positioned near the top right corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will take you to the Unknown Cash Purchase interface. Here, you'll see various UC packages available. Carefully choose the specific amount of UC that best suits your needs and budget for your in-game purchases. Once you've decided on your UC package, the next step is to select your payment method. On the payment screen, scroll through the options until you find and choose PayPal. This action will securely redirect you to the official PayPal website or app. You'll need to log in with your PayPal credentials to authorize the purchase, ensuring your account is protected during the transaction. After logging into PayPal, carefully review all the transaction details presented on the screen. This includes the exact amount of unknown cash you are buying and the total cost. Once you are satisfied that everything is correct, confirm the payment. Your UC will then be credited to your PUBG Mobile account almost instantly, allowing you to enjoy your new in-game items and upgrades right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.